If you have heard about mesh integration, I would love to let you know about another method called meshless integration. I'm not trying to be funny or facetious. In a way, you would think that it would speak for itself, but it's a little complicated. So how does it work? For mesh integration, what we do, we use a breathable mesh or a net or a lace that is stretchable, it's hypoallergenic, and we secure that with microbeads with lining of silicone, so it secures the hair and prevents the topper or the closure from moving around, secure the area down, and then we stitch and close up the topper above this and to actually the little mesh area. With meshless, it is actually a little bit far superior foundation in comparison to mesh integration. It's definitely lighter, much less itchiness. It's a lot less buildup or product buildup, and still it provides a good foundation and a very secure environment for your topper or for the closure to sit on the hair and allow growth or allow treatment. And we use actually microbeads to secure the area that we want, and it kind of creates something like a basket, and from that foundation, stitch the topper and the weft over that foundation. It is very comfortable, it's very easy, and it is very secure. And if you have any more questions about it, or you were curious if you are a candidate for one, you can always contact us. We'll be more than happy to help. Until then, dare to live beautifully.